Para. Dear sirs, since your return, we have carefully considered the terms and conditions discussed with you, and we have decided to appoint you our sole agents. We are in agreement with your proposals, except in a few minor points, and we give below the terms and conditions upon which we agree to work. We appoint you our sole agents for a period of 12 months from date, and agree to pay you commission of 10% on the amount of all orders received direct or indirect from buyers. Para. You will render account of all sales made for us up to and including the 20th of each month, and remit us the amount of such sales, discounts, and commission on the first of the second month after. For instance, the account sales for January would be settled by your check on 1st March. We understand that the insurance policies you have would be increased to the extent of the value of all the samples we sent you. Para. All goods would be sold from our warehouse, and we should therefore deliver to you carriage paid. We should be glad to have your confirmation of the above amended terms at your earlier convenience, so that we may have the agreement prepared as soon as possible and signed immediately this is done. We will get to work and send you all patterns, including some new model we are bringing out. Yours truly,